You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Make all your adventures the best they can be in this well-equipped Atlas. Honest and uncomplicated, this well-built family hauler prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this capable Atlas. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.